Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Expense and Zoho Books. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to seamlessly sync your expense data with your accounting records, creating a unified financial management system for your business. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to zoho.com/expense. Once you're there, log in using your admin credentials. It's important to use an admin account here because only admins have the necessary permissions to set up integrations between Zoho applications. After logging in, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a 9-dot icon labeled Zoho app. Click on it. This icon serves as your gateway to all the Zoho applications available in your ecosystem, making it easy to switch between different tools without having to log in separately each time. Clicking this icon will open the All Zoho app panel on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll see a list of all Zoho applications you can access. Browse through this list and look for the option named Zoho Books. Once you find it, click on it. This action will open Zoho Books in a new browser tab, keeping your Zoho Expense window intact for easy navigation. Now that you're on the Zoho Books homepage, you'll see an option that says either Start My Free Trial or Access Zoho Books, depending on whether you've used the service before. Click on whichever option appears for you. This will direct you to the sign-up page where you can create your Zoho Books account. On the sign-up page, you'll need to enter the necessary details in each field. Fill in your company name, email address, mobile number, and create a strong password to protect your account. You'll also need to select your data center location, which determines where your data will be stored. Choose the location closest to your business for optimal performance. Once you've filled in all the required information, click on Create Account. This finalizes the setup process and activates your Zoho Books account. Here's the great part. Since Zoho Books is part of the same Zoho ecosystem as Zoho Expense, it automatically integrates data and functions between the two platforms. This means your expense reports can flow directly into your accounting system without manual data entry. Do note that after the free trial period ends, Zoho Books will require a separate subscription from your Zoho Expense account. You've now successfully integrated Zoho Expense with Zoho Books, streamlining your financial workflows. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.